Somebody was asking me a while back, where do I work out? I work out in my garage. I work a full-time job and do this on the part-time, cleaning cars. Sometimes it turns into full-time. It's a very small garage, but doing a lot of work in this garage. Trying to save money up and move so we can get a different house, bigger house, and trying, living the dream as everybody says. Truck just barely fits in here. So, but somebody was asking me a while back how big my shop was. Not really a shop, it's a little garage, car and a half garage. Do what you gotta do sometimes. It works. And a lot of stuff in this little garage. We make it work. Alright. Everybody was wondering, so there it is. Alright, gotta get back to work and try to live the dream. See y'all later.